Right then guys, this is an ABUS 6540. Now it's a bit of a mystery, this lock. It came in a job lot from eBay in the week. This is the key that came in it. It doesn't actually open the lock, so either that key is the wrong one or there's something broken in here. I've not been able to open the lock. But it feels normal in there. Pins are all springy and reacts the way you would expect, apart from not actually opening. So I'm just going to give it another try now and see what happens. Okay, start at the front. Make sure I'm holding it properly, helps. Okay, pin 1, just pops straight down. This does pin 2. Then I'll turn on the core associated with each of those sets. Pin 3 sets pretty much as expected to. Quite sure what's going on in here. Okay, pin 4 is just at the back there, as you'd expect. So, okay, that's pin 4. So I've set each of those in turn, but the lock's not opening. I'll just check each pin in turn, just to be sure. Just check that again with the torch. Okay. This is just a bit strange behaviour. Four, 3. Yeah, it's kind of unsetting pins, I think, when I'm setting each one. 1 again. Maybe I'll just reset that. Try working from the back. It's just bringing me back to the front if I can find anything that's binding. And just back to pin 1 now. 1, 2 again. So yeah, bit of a mystery that. If you've got any ideas, I would appreciate them, or if you want to have a go yourself, yeah, let me know on the forum. Be interested to get to the bottom of this. Cheers guys.